The Humble Crew Kids 2-in-1 Round Activity Table and 2-Chair Set. This versatile toddler table features a smooth removable table cover, allowing you to transform from a flat tabletop to the ultimate construction surface in just moments. Use the flat table cover for snack time, coloring, arts and crafts, slime, board games, and whatever else your little one can dream up. Then, remove the tabletop cover to reveal a construction table play surface compatible for use with most plastic building blocks. It also features a convenient center storage area to store blocks in for quick and easy cleanup. Durable yet lightweight, this multifunctional plastic table and chair set features rounded safety edges in a fun and bright color palette. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The Humble Crew Kids 2-in-1 Popular Plastic Building Blocks Compatible Activity Table and 2 Chairs Set features a play surface compatible with popular plastic building blocks and Duplo building blocks. The smooth tabletop is removable to reveal a construction table for use with building blocks, popular plastic building blocks, and Duplo blocks. Fun. Number 2. The table also features a convenient bonus storage area in the center, offering children a place to neatly stash blocks when playtime is over. Number 3. The height of this furniture is just right for toddlers and preschool-aged children. Giving your little one a table and chair set at their size gives them a sense of control and helps them learn independence. This kids' table and chairs set will complement the existing furniture in your home as well as the toy storage organizer products in Humble Crew's line of kids' furniture. Number 4. Humble Crew offers a full line of children's furniture, organizational basics, and storage solutions. We have multiple room collections that fit the style of any home. Our children's table and chairs, toy storage organizers, toy boxes, bookcases, beds, and upholstered chairs blend with all of your home's furniture. Whether it's the living room, playroom, or your child's bedroom, Humble Crew has just the right product to help your family grow. Number 5. Includes building block compatible activity table, removable cover, and 2 chairs. Number 6. Building block storage area in the center of construction table. Number 7. Perfect gift for boys and girls ages 3 years and up. Number 8. Sturdy, lightweight plastic construction for easy configuration and rearranging with easy snap-together assembly. Number 9. Ideal for your toddler's bedroom, playroom, or living room. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Description says Duplo compatible, but some reviews say they don't fit. Especially what age Duplo blocks fit? Answer. Our construction table is compatible with both Lego and Duplo blocks, but not Mega blocks. Question number 2. Can you use the large Legos? Answer. This table was designed to work with both Lego and Duplo branded construction blocks. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.